Samsung users, Samsung have finally started rolling out OneUI 9 Beta 3 for Samsung S26 series. Basically for India it's Beta 2 and for other countries or regions it's Beta 3. But sadly this update did not bring much of changes. Till now we were not able to discover any new change, but they have done a lot of bug fixing. So here you can see this was the update which says version OneUI 9 and the build number ends with ZZF7. If you see the update size, it's 1786 MB. But if you take a look at the changelogs, they have only mentioned about the bug fixes. In this video let's talk about all these bug fixes, and if I discover anything new, we'll do another video talking about those features. But before moving ahead guys, if you find our content useful to you guys, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribing. So let's start with the first bug what they have mentioned, and that's layer 2 improved errors layer 2 privacy display when setting routine or toggling the quick panel on or off. So here I did test out before updating the device, and personally for me there was no issues layer 2 privacy display on my device. I'm not sure whether other people were facing, but in some cases it do happens that not every individual faces those issues. Some users might face. In our case, you can see this screen recording which was done before updating the device and personally had no issues at all enabling privacy display. Second fix is layer to the camera preview wherein they say screen was cropped under certain conditions. But here you can take a look at the screen recording which we did before updating the device, and here also there were no screen cropping issues anywhere in the entire UI. You consider any menu, photos, videos, portrait, etc. So for me also this issue was not there on the previous build. And the same thing goes with the next fix which says fixed an issue where widget information such as weather and battery on the lock screen was not updated correctly. So here also let me show you a screenshot. This was a screenshot before updating the device. You can see temperature it is showing 31 degrees Celsius and precipitation is 2%. Device battery was 98% which matches the status bar battery. And here also if I show you in the weather application, the weather conditions were exactly same. In the camera application they have improved, and they have also mentioned the changelog which says improved focus accuracy when using 30x camera zoom. So I did try out both in video and photo mode, though video goes up to 25x, but in photo mode before there were slight issues while focusing, but now I don't see any kind of issues when it comes to focusing part. After that, this was also an issue which says fix an issue where the home screen would not swipe left or right when using the pen. So here you can see a recording which I did before updating the device, and I was actually facing issues while scrolling on the home screen either the left or the right side using S Pen. But now let's see here on the latest build, and you can see we don't have any kind of issues swiping left or right using S Pen. So this was an issue previously on OneUI 9 beta. I mean the second one for other countries, first one for Indian region, and now it has been taken care. And the next fix which they have mentioned is layer to My Files app, which says where the file list could not be scrolled to the end. And yes guys, I do have a screen recording of that too, so let me show you. Here we have the screen recording of the previous build. You can see with a single swipe it used to just slide little bit, there you go, and with a second swipe it used to go completely down. So this was a bug present on the previous build. You can see here clearly. Let me show you guys once again. So here you can see, and we'll open up this list view. If I scroll down now, you can see with a single swipe I'm able to go towards the bottom side. And again, as said, this was an issue on the previous build. After that, they have also fixed an issue layer to background screen when receiving a call. So for that also I'll show you a recording. So here you can see on this device I did record a video before updating the device, and I made a call on this number like on my Samsung S26 Ultra. There were no issues, or the background never got black or white while picking up the call. I mean the background screen. So this also was not an issue on my S26 Ultra on the previous build. And these two things which they have mentioned related to reboot, these two issues also I've never faced on my S26 Ultra. So guys, these are the fixes what they have done on this latest build of OneUI 9 Beta 3. If you guys discover any new feature, do let me know in the comment section below. As of now, only this much in this video. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.